Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to create a metallic font in Canva. Whether you're designing a logo, a graphic, or just want to add some shiny text to your next project, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to give your words that sleek, polished, metallic look. No need for any complicated software, just Canva. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up Canva. If you're not already signed in, just head to Canva.com and log into your account. You can do this on your computer or even on a tablet, it's really up to you, but for this tutorial I find using a desktop or laptop makes things a bit smoother, especially with all the little design elements we'll be arranging. Once you're in Canva, look for the Create a Design button that's usually in the top right corner. Click on it and you'll see a few options for different templates, but since we want to have full control over the size of our canvas, we're going to select Custom Size. For this project, let's go ahead and set the dimensions to 100 by 50 pixels. That size might seem pretty small, but it's perfect for a sleek, compact font design, and you can always resize it later if you want to use it in something bigger. Go ahead and click Create New Design, and Canva will give you a nice blank canvas to work with. It's a bit like setting up your easel before you start painting. You want the right size and a clean space to work your creative magic. Now with that blank space in front of you, let's get to the fun part. Over on the left, you'll see the toolbar with different tabs like templates, elements, and so on. Click on the Elements tab and in the search bar at the top type metallic font. You'll see a variety of options pop up, usually under graphics. These are pre-designed letters and styles that already have that shiny metallic finish baked right in, kind of like picking out individual letters from a box of shiny magnets. Here, where you use your eye for design a little, start dragging individual metallic letters onto your canvas to spell out the word or phrase you have in mind. If, for example, you're going for gold, add a G, then an O, and so on by searching for or selecting each letter from the Elements tab. Some styles will have the full alphabet available, and sometimes you might need to search for each letter separately. It might take a little clicking around to find the perfect style that matches across all your letters, but don't worry if it takes a minute. Think of it as hunting for just the right puzzle piece. As you position the letters, Canva lets you drag, rotate, and resize each one to line them up perfectly. If they look a little off at first, don't stress, just nudge them into place until everything feels balanced. A small trick, you can hold down the Shift key to select multiple letters at once and move them as a group, making alignment super easy. Once you've got all your letters in place and you're happy with the look, congratulations, that's all it takes. You've just created a professional-looking metallic font design right inside Canva, and you can use it however you like, from social media posts to business cards or even merchandise. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Canva effect you'd like to see next. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.